There are a wide variety of career avenues open to students who graduate from this program. You could work for a political party, you could be a community organizer, you could, if you want, work for a private organization, you could in fact do an MBA, law, you could go and do journalism, you can go on to do further studies abroad. So this first degree would be a very good grounding for a variety of careers, both in the public and in the private sector. What makes the BA Honours in Political Science at JSI unique is its connect with the real world. The aim of this program is not merely to impart knowledge, even though we have a world-class faculty for that. It is to show you ways of thinking, to take you to deeper levels of analysis, so that you yourself become a commentator, an analyzer of these issues, so that you yourself can understand why, for example, Prime Minister Modi got elected twice, what is the Trump phenomenon, what impact, for example, will the coronavirus have on politics in India and abroad. So for this, you will have to have an in-depth knowledge of several areas: political psychology, political philosophy, political economy. You will have to understand, for example, why some countries are rich, why others are poor, what impact that has on their elections, on their voting and political behavior. The aim is to provide you both with a theoretical as well as a practical knowledge. That means you will have out-of-the-classroom experiences, you will have internships with political parties, hopefully, or think tanks. You will go out in the world and apply the knowledge that you learned in your classroom. Our goal is to create a holistic student, a student who can, in the future, contribute to the politics of his nation or her nation as well as the world. Thus, you will have to both peer inside a country as well as look at the world outside. And you will not merely be a consumer of information or news, but a critical discerner and hopefully at some point a producer of news. Over 3 years, our goal is a student who came in with a very rudimentary knowledge of the subject should at the end of 3 years be at the level of someone who is at least, if not a producer of knowledge, at least a critical commentator. Doesn't matter which area you go into, whether it is government or it is business, you will need this knowledge. You will, whether you appear for the civil services exams or you do an MBA, or even if you go for a law degree, if you don't understand politics, you don't understand how the world works. And for us, our goal is to make you understand how the world works, why it is this way historically. Therefore, you will also get an in-depth knowledge of history and political science stretching from the Renaissance till today. But also, how do you use this knowledge to maximize social gains as well as for your own personal growth?